Hey, do you know that Payday 2 is free now? You can get this original game for free and can be played multiplayer. I will show you how to download and install Payday 2, full version for free without any crack. Anyway, this game only available until June 15, 2023. Now, go to Epic Games Store, or click the link below in the video description. Click the Sign In menu. Now log in your account, or sign up if you don't have one. After logged in, go back to Epic Store homepage, scroll down until you found Payday 2. Click the game. Click Continue. Scroll down. Click the Get button to the right. Look to the right, the price is 0, which means free. Click the Place Order button. Finally, the game is stored in your account. If you don't have Epic Games Launcher, click the Download Launcher button and install the launcher. After the launcher installed, open the launcher and go to the Library tab. Here, look for Payday 2 or type Payday 2 in the search bar. Click the Install text. Click the Install button. The Payday 2 is being downloaded now. Click the Downloads tab to see the progress. After downloaded, you can see to the left, under Quick Launch there is Payday 2. Click to launch the game. And congratulations, Payday 2 is installed. See, you can play it offline or online. That is how to download and install Payday 2 for free without any crack.